In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nurture cold or lost deals in Pipedrive. If you've ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering how to warm up those stale or lost prospects, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, we need to segment your deals efficiently. This is crucial for organizing and targeting your approaches. Using Pipedrive's filters, create a list of cold deals. These are typically deals that have been inactive for a certain number of days, say 30, with no activities recorded. Next, list out the lost deals, which are those marked as lost for specific reasons such as budget constraints, poor timing, or competitive offerings. This segmentation allows you to tailor your outreach efforts, providing a unique strategy for each category. Moving on, let's set up automated follow-ups. This is where Pipedrive's automations or workflow automation feature comes in handy. You can trigger email reminders to nudge your prospects after a period of inactivity with a simple message like, "Hey, just checking in, are you still exploring solution?" Additionally, consider creating tasks for your sales reps to reconnect after 30 to 60 days of inactivity. For lost deals, you might want to schedule a nurturing sequence to touch base after 3 to 6 months, ensuring that you remain top of mind. For a deeper engagement, consider using email campaigns to share value-add content. Sync your CRM with Pipedrive campaigns or an integrated tool such as MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. Send out educational content like guides, case studies, and tips. Don't forget to update them on any new features that address their previous objections or even offer them special promotions. Discounts or limited time offers can be very compelling. A personalized touch can often be the deciding factor in resurrecting a deal. Before you reach out, make sure to review past notes to personalize your message. You could reference past hurdles with a line like, "Last time we spoke, budget was tight. Just wanted to share that we now offer flexible pricing options." Another tip is to engage them on LinkedIn by either connecting or commenting to warm things up before starting an email thread. Recording the reasons for lost deals in Pipedrive is another good practice. Ensure you're noting down why each deal did not close. Analyzing these patterns can guide stronger nurturing campaigns. For example, if budget was an issue, perhaps following up with ROI case studies could be beneficial. Or if your competitor was a factor, a comparison chart showing new features could catch their interest. Setting recurring activities in Pipedrive will also help you maintain regular contact with your prospects. Regularly scheduled calls or emails every few months, such as quarterly check-ins to share updates or success stories, can position you as someone who is constantly adding value, not just making a sales pitch. Finally, if a vibe of renewed interest is detected from a prospect's response, go ahead and reopen the deal. Avoid starting from scratch with a new deal. This method maintains a seamless flow of history and helps your team stay informed about past interactions, ensuring continuity and context in your communications. That's it for today's tutorial. Implementing these strategies should breathe new life into your Pipedrive deals, keeping them nurtured and moving them closer to a successful closure. Thanks for watching.